is we are going to recreate that event in here. I'm only going to kill about half of you, so it's no big deal. You'll be fine. You have a 50-50 chance of living or dying. You're leaving? No, you know what? I think you'll be okay.
My hair is
you know what? I guarantee you'll be all right. It's the others need work. I'm just saying. First thing I'm going to use is I'm going to use a Erlenmeyer flask. Okay? It's flat on the bottom. I'm taking put some liquid in here. Okay? We are going to use also something called zinc. Okay? This is zinc.
Have you guys heard of zinc?
Some of you have heard of zinc before. Zinc is something that you actually need in your body in order to be able to survive. Now, I do not recommend that you eat this because it is a strong metal and it will break your teeth. Okay? But the zinc that you have inside your body actually comes from little molecules that are combined with other things. It's absorbed into your body and it helps make you strong. Okay? That's zinc. Okay? Just looks like a metal, doesn't it? Okay? All right? That is your zinc. You want to touch it?
I'm cool.
Okay. You want to touch it? Touch it. Okay? What if you swallow that? It would probably hurt coming out. That's okay? Okay. So no, you do not want to take and swallow this. You don't want to try to eat it because it might make you just a little bit on the sick side. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to put the zinc into a balloon. A balloon. Okay? We're going to put the zinc right here for just a second. I'm going to stretch this balloon out just a little bit. Okay? And now the zinc's inside this balloon. Okay?
Okay.
Now, the other thing that we're going to take and actually put in here to start off with is another type of acid. That acid is called hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid is not quite as strong as nitric acid. It has a pH of 3. You may refer to hydrochloric acid or something that has hydrochloric acid as toilet bowl cleaner. Okay? If you've ever been cleaning the toilets, you get sprayed just a little bit by the spray that comes off of it, and it sometimes burns just a little bit. That burn is from the hydrochloric acid. Okay? You get this on your skin, you can wash it off. Okay? Does it hurt? Yeah, it burns a little bit. Okay? But it's not going to burn you quite as bad as what the nitric acid did before. Okay? So we're going to take just a little bit of this, and we're going to put it in this flask. Okay? Then, what we're going to do is we're going to take the balloon, we're going to stretch it over the top of the lid. Okay?
I know it's gonna blow up.
Just like this. Now, the zinc's in the balloon. We have hydrochloric acid in the flask.
Blowing up.
And we mixed them together at this point. You see that there's a gas that's produced.
Yeah.
It's boiling at the bottom, so it's getting hot.
Look at it.
Okay? Whoa! Okay? The balloon's blowing up at this point. It is filling with a gas. You know, the reaction that we're forming here, guys, is we're taking zinc and we're mixing it with hydrochloric acid to produce two new substances. The two substances are zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Okay? Hydrogen gas, same thing that you just saw in the video on the Hindenberg. Okay? I'm going to turn this water on. We're going to dilute the reaction, cause the reaction to stop with water. And now we have the balloon that's filled with what? Hydrogen. Good. Okay. All right. So what we're going to do now is, here in a minute, actually, we'll turn on the lights. Oh, I might need this.
What's the light balloon?
Oh, by the way, I have my fire starter right here.
Yeah.
I'll start.
Oh, wait.
All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God.
All right. Lights out. Hindenberg recreated. You saw how fast that thing flashed and it exploded, right? Okay? Imagine this little balloon right here being a huge balloon that's about half the length of this building. And I'm talking about the high school and the freshman center. About half that length. Spark takes and ignites that, and it takes about 30 seconds for it to completely go from flying in the air to completely down on the ground and almost completely burn out. Okay? 30 seconds. Okay? Same thing as what we just did there. That flash, bang, boom, done. Okay? Questions? Comments? Thank you very much.